You went to the college, office, or any function. They greet you with a nice handshake firstly.
All right. Nice to meet you.
Jerome Smith.
Come on, brother.
Have you ever felt like they squeeze your hands, or else your hands are too soft? We don't want that hands, because it looks not good at all, and they intrinsically lose respect for you because that's sign of soft sedentary lifestyle. Adversely, if you shake someone's hand and it's a nice, thick, masculine hand, they gain respect for you because that's signal that you work hard. You are masculine, doing hard work, or working out, or whatever it may be. We don't want that to happen to you, so I'm not going to waste your time. Here is the 4 straightforward instructions on how to grow masculine hands. Second one gives you amazing masculinity to your hands, but you can perform the 4th exercise any place in your house or workplace. The first one is weight and resistance exercises. If you are already going to the gym, it's easy for you. Doing pull-ups and deadlifts strengthens your muscles, but wrist curls and finger push-ups gives a massive forearms for you and looks more aesthetic. Doing push-ups on your fingertips can look impressive, and it's also an efficient exercise to increase your grip for bodybuilding, basketball, or rock climbing. If you know how to climb a tree, comment down below. Second one is hand gripper workout. If you have ever wanted forearms that look impressive and bigger than most other men, you should work out with hand grips. Grippers are a great way to train your forearms, providing a unique stimulus compared to other exercises. Use hand grippers, which cost you around 200 rupees. The best way to use it is wrapping your fingers around the other handle. Squeeze the handles together as far as you can. Hold the closed position for 5 seconds, then slowly release your grip. Start with 2 sets of 10 squeezes for each hand, then build up over several weeks to 4 sets. Having stronger hands with no good physique looks not at all good. Building that slim and masculine body hits different. We have already discussed step by step with proper instructions in our last video. I will provide the link below. Go and watch that video. Third one is finger extension. Why should we consider finger extension is important? Fingers exercise is important to strengthen the wrist, hand, and finger muscles. It will be useful to fulfill your daily living of activities like pulling objects, groceries, and opening the door, etc. Use these finger grippers, which cost you around 150 to 200 rupees. I'm going to share you the last one. Now this one is just a little smiley ball that you can just squeeze all day long. Whether you're in class, you're driving, you're chilling watching TV, and no one will ever know that you're actually training your hands. Using a stress ball can help relieving hand pain and strengthen the grip muscles. Do this for 3 to 4 months constantly. You can definitely get the results. If you want more content like this, smash the like button and subscribe for more.